the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Today I'm going to create my version of the mother of all mermaids. I'm talking about Mami Wata, and I'm going to create a drawing of her on the iPad right now. So all you have to do is just watch. I wanted to use a African head that I had used in some other drawings, but it just didn't feel right. So I had to develop a face and hair, flowing hair that looked like it was alive from being underwater. And I got very intrigued with making the various curls and flowing locks. I then developed my own pattern for her scales, for her tail, and her top. So many times when I looked at some of the drawings of her, I didn't see a woman of beauty. I wanted to create a goddess which appeared to be a goddess, a powerful goddess. A goddess with more than 2 arms, with 4 arms, with a trident and a mirror, so that she could gaze at her loveliness. In all the works that I had seen of Mami Wata, there was always some sort of snake or serpent with her or wrapped around her, almost like a woman would wear a stole. So I decided to create several serpents to wrap around her body. Make sure that you stay to the end to see my special animated version of my finished drawing. Mami Wata, Mother Water, is an African spiritual tradition that encompasses worship of a pantheon of water spirits, especially popular through many regions of the continent of Africa among numerous tribes of people. Regions stretching from Senegal to Zambia. Her very name may be translated as Mother Water. Countless enslaved Africans forcibly brought to the Americas and various parts of the entire world carried with them their beliefs, practices, and arts honoring water spirits such as Mami Wata. I have been intrigued as an artist looking at various sculptures, drawings, paintings, and arts of many different artists of this goddess. And I wanted to create my version of how I see her.